Assist new wiper motor for the Toyota Avalonian. This one is from a premium Amazon special, and it's got no shaft play, unlike the remanufactured wiper motor that is in the Avalonian. So we're gonna give her a go, see how she does. The 10 milli. We're just gonna take these off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Disconnect this. Yeah. Come on out. Should be easy enough. It does come with the shaft. So, thought I was recording the bulk of this, but it turns out I was not. So we're just gonna talk about it. We marked the splines with some blue paint in the park position. I also marked the shaft in the park position, so I can tell that it is mostly in the park position. And I did that because you have to move this guy in order to get this 13 milli off, and then move it back to get the 10 millis off. So yeah, we did that. We got her swapped over. I used the old shaft arm rather than the new one that it came with, because I didn't want to take the chance of popping this cap off and having it break, since I don't have an extra one. So yeah, she's all buttoned up. I slightly disassembled this motor just to see what I could see, and I'm not seeing much other than the play in that shaft that was very much present. I'm not seeing any burnt windings, nothing too obvious. But either way, we're gonna get her back in and see how she does. And since I did move this before I put the blades on, I'm gonna set her in there, plug it in, and then run the wipers and make sure it's in that park position before I put the wiper blades on, so I know that they will be in the proper position. Okay, sound like a plan? All right. So just plug her in, and honestly, I can just leave it like that. In you go. Do we have rotation? We do. Good rotation. So just turn on and off. It should go to the park. Oh. The hell's that noise? Anyway, we'll turn her on and we'll turn it back off, and it'll return to that park position. Take the keys out, and now we know. Crank her down. You already got a 10 milli on you. A little snug down. Heat. Okay. So she works. This was $61 box Amazon special. We need this guy. Slip you on here. Find it. Find your home. There she is. Some clippies. Okay, now we can get the blades on. Short boy. Long boy. Some 14s for ya. We'll set ya right like that. Just give her a hit. All right. How are we doing? Uh-huh. She's returning to the proper position now, buds. Easy peasy. And we're not hearing that clunky noise anymore. So there we go. Pretty quiet. We'll see how long she lasts. Better than that Reman one. Just going up. Pretty decent. I'm happy with that. I'll adjust it later if needed. That's a fix, bud. We're calling that a $61 fix for you, bud. Garbage. A premium. $61 bucks. We'll see. We'll see how she does. Simba.